Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more content.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, today we are going to learn how to remove just one click pictures background in Photoshop. Just one click remove a pictures background in Photoshop. You can see here, just I open this images here. You can see here this image, something I zoom this image here. You can see here I open my Photoshop CC 2020 version and you can easily make a Photoshop CC 2020 versions only. You can see here and you can see here I go to the tools option here and this option is I right click here and you can see here this is a quick selection tool, magic wand tool or object selections tool. Here is a new option is Photoshop CC 2020 is a quick selections tool. You can see here this is a mode is rectangle mode. You can see here rectangle or lasso tools here. You can see here and you can easily draw this rectangle tool here. You can see here and wait just a minute. You can see here easily selection the background in Photoshop CC 2020. This amazing features in Photoshop CC 2020 and you can I click press Ctrl or Command D deselect here. Simple I go to the lasso. You can see here lasso option and you can easily draw this area something like this. You can see here and easily selection the pictures you can see here and you can easily go to select and go to inverse and you can see here and simple this is a layer and double click here and lock layer here and press delete here. Simple press delete here and press Ctrl or Command D deselect here and I open this pictures background, simple drag and drop here like this and simple this is a you can see here and simple this layer is drop down here like this. You can see here easily remove background in Photoshop CC 2020 and go to filter and blur this image. You can see here and blur also this images here. Go to filter blur and click a Gaussian blur and you can easily blur this image like this. You can see here easily remove the picture's background and second way also you can remove the background here. Simple I undo this image here and I simple go to first of all this layer is unlock here, double click and then okay, this is unlock layer here and you can choose the background. Simple I choose this one background here and up here and go to go to Windows and go to properties. You can see here go to properties and this is a properties panel here like this and simple choose the quick actions. You can see here quick action here and you can see here remove background. Simple click or remove background, just one click remove background. You can see here load is here, few seconds is here. You can see here easily remove background in Photoshop CC 2020. You can see just easily you can any here you can see here just real remove background is Photoshop CC 2020. You can see here easily remove the background. You can see here. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please.